Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply images to border in HTML and CSS. So actually I was not even aware about this, that you can apply an image to a border. So even I learned something new. So here you can see I just have some normal text, and the image which you see, the border thing which you see, that is actually an image which you can apply to a border. Yeah, so even I learned something new. Like I'm not an expert in CSS, but I know the basics of CSS. So yeah, but I was not aware that you can apply image to a border. Like if I didn't know this, I might have done something really weird. Like I might have taken something, I might have extracted this image from Figma and then might have used position absolute to play around with things, but you don't need to do all that stuff. So let me show you the code first. Now you can use normal HTML CSS as well, just for like I'm using Vite just for simplicity sake, because that's how my brain works. But if you are not aware about Vite or any framework as such, you can use normal HTML CSS as well. And if you see inside the public folder, I have taken this particular image. So this is the only image which we will be using. You don't need any other image, but you can take your own image. Now inside index.html I have just taken one article, and here I have some h1, h2, p tag. This is some gibberish text. You don't have to worry about it, but yeah, you can text whatever, you can take whatever text you feel like. So yeah, just take some text, and here you can see I'm also linked our CSS style. Now firstly, here I have applied some styling to our article, then the p tag of our article, then the h1 tag of our article, then the h2 tag of our article, as well as the p last type, as well as the site. I was not even aware about the site tag, HTML tag, but there is something called site as well. So yeah, this is pretty simple. So till here you can apply whatever style you prefer, so it's up to you. Then to this particular article element, so firstly I have assigned a border of 10 pixels solid transparent. Then I have taken one border image as well. So here I have firstly taken our URL, and now my image is located inside the public folder. That's why I'm referencing the public folder. You should change it to wherever your image is located for you, so it's up to you. So yeah, that's what you will have to do. Then we have this 143 without any units, so it does not require units. So 143 means cut top and bottom corner. Now you will have to change this value depending on what image you have. Next is 155, so it means cut right and left corner. Then slash 120 pixel, that means width of the edges. Then slash 40 pixel, that means border image offset. And round I have used because any repetition of s slices would be done even number of times. So yeah, that's how you can use border image. I mean, even if you like, to be completely honest with you, even I don't understand all of this, but at least if you know this particular property exists, at least with some help of AI tools and all that, you can just play around with all this particular values till you get this desired result. But yeah, that's it. That's how you can apply image to a border using CSS. Thank you for watching. Bye.